Good gracious me, it's snowing, everybody. She be snowing. Heading home. Gonna have a nice big juicy rib steak with onions today for supper, I think. Why? Because I have to jam my protein up. Nothing worse than not getting enough protein. You go to the gym for nothing. And I can't have that. I don't know how much snow we're supposed to get, but I do not like shoveling at all. The stage of the game. I don't do my driveway. My driveway, as you can tell from my videos, is it's got to be, I'd say about 70 feet long and double wide. I just pay someone to plow that. That's what I worked all my life for. I don't know if this is showing. It's snowing pretty good right now. I don't know if you can see, but it's not a bad day here in St. Stephen, New Brunswick. Just sit back, relax, sit in the passenger side there or whatever, and have a beer and just look at the sights while I drive you through town and out. I haven't got a heck of a lot going on here. Like I say, I took this week off because I had to use up some of my vacation and personal day hours that I get. You ever been to Campobello Island? If you haven't, I'll go there and I'll take you on a little tour of Campobello. It's a nice little island. So here I am going through town the other day, and I'm on the traffic circle. And I'm driving through it, and as you know from all of the yield signs, going into a traffic circle, if someone's on the traffic circle, no matter where they're on, they've got the right of way. So you have to sort of get your way on there. So I'm in the traffic circle, and I'm coming around the other side, same one as you just saw there. And this stupid dipshit woman looking down at her phone right through the opposite side. So I slam my horn on because I'm a prick. I just don't like people that are so distracted that they just do everything they can to cause an accident. That's my rant for the day, and we'll just leave it at that. It's ridiculous. Can't stand that. Good focus problems. The camera wants to go blurry when the snow hits a windshield, so when we're not moving. I'm going to have another fire this week. I don't think I'll put it on this channel, but put it on the Big Jimmy U channel. I just like winter fires. I love winter bonfires. I love classic country and classic rock. A little bit of new country, but not too much. And give me a break. I like music where there's actually instruments in it, where people are playing instruments, and there's no voice auto-tunes. I know what auto-tune is because I was a DJ on the radio for years, and I refused to use that stupid stuff. I get better things to do than to listen to somebody sing into an auto-tune mic and a Dr. Rhythm drum machine. Give me a break. I like the crispness I like the mistakes. I love the difference every time you hear it when you have different instruments playing. That's what I like. If you don't like that, well, you're probably 35 or under, because that's pretty much what you have nowadays. I don't know why. You know, but give me a little classic rock. Give me even some Beatles. I like some oldies. To me, Beatles are oldies, but the best genre of both country and rock. Now, I don't like dance music, and I don't like hip hop and bebop and boobop and all that stuff, but if you do, that's great. You're not going to hear it on my station. I just don't like it. But any of the country, the classic stuff, and the classic rock, even hard rock and metal, probably I would have to say early 70s to early 90s. Early 70s to early 90s. That's your good stuff. That's your niche right there, where people are playing their instruments. And auto-tune came in the 90s. Don't get me wrong, mid-90s it did. But early 90s, I don't think so. I can't recall anyways. And like I say, I was on the radio for a long time, playing the stuff for a long time. And I just prefer that. It's a lot better. A lot better. You hear bands live, singers live and stuff, you hear the mistakes that the instruments, that the band makes, and it's wonderful. It's like the hiss and pop and crack of an LP. It talks to you, you know, it makes you feel things. Pita pit coming up here on the left. You like a good pita? I don't. I don't eat vegetables, so. Holy jumpins', my cheeks are rosy red in this cold. Bridge to the USA right ahead of us on the left. Like I say, this is a border town. Riverside Grocery, that yellow building we're passing on the left. Man, they had a pizza place in there. I can't remember what it was called, but maybe they still do. I haven't been there in years. But they made the best chicken wings. I'm telling you, they just bake them in some old thing that I used to get like a 20-pack when I lived in Fredericton. You used to have to drive all the way back. You used to have to, oops, what got going on up here? Eat the wings all the way back to Fredericton, just little by little. Used to love it. Gonna have to adjust my phone a little better. The old camera, big for my face. Like the buildings around here in this town. It's a good mix of modern and real old. Go up this way, take a little time off. Look out! Hey! Should have gone this way. This is a shaky, bumpy road. adjust you a little here. I'd like to have like a fire outside tonight with all the snow. You can't beat a nice snowy night. Everyone that doesn't live in Canada says, oh yes you can. You know, it's weird. Like, I don't believe in God myself, but for those that do, it's really rough. At least in this town, like a lot of the churches are closing. People just don't seem to go like they used to. Like, I know you get a lot of shift workers and stuff that, I mean, they can't help but not go to church because church is in the daytime. I'll take you on a quick tour of the industrial park, then that'll be it for this one. It's getting long, 12-13 minutes already. The big, fantastic St. Stephen Industrial Park. Just take you a little whiz around there. Looks like we may have a train. I think we get a train. Blocking her. Yep, train's going through up there. Oh, that sucks. So anyway, I went in there today to the gym and I ended up having a nice little cardio day. We did a cardio, treadmill, row, and then manual treadmill. Now, manual treadmill is kind of like the Flintstones. You sort of got to do that one yourself. Kind of takes the heart and the breath right out of you. Now I'm trapped here. Yeah, see, this guy's turning. The only reason I have really to go to the industrial park is to show you guys the industrial park. I think I'm going to be getting a lot of not good views on this one, but what you gonna do? Train's blocking us. I can't help it, people. Yeah, so if you want to head over to Big Jimmy U and subscribe if you haven't. Gonna have a beer review I'll upload there tonight. So one where I was sitting around Ontario at my brother's place. We were going to one of those craft brewery tour things, so we did I want to say 4 or 5 places that day. Come on, people, I can't be sitting here for an extra 40 seconds in a snowstorm. Oh, look, another guy's leaving up there. I do the same thing with the guy behind me. He's sort of blocking me on in. Everyone's getting the same idea. If these guys pull up, I think I'll just not take you to the industrial park today. I'll do everything these people are doing. Oh, I don't know. Just as I say that, the train's moving. I don't know if it's moving out of our way, but Yeah, so I did straight cardio today. I'm just going to keep a car length in front of me here in case that train decides to stop again. The industrial park isn't even exciting. I have no idea why I'm taking you down to the industrial park. And if you aren't watching this particular video anymore, can't blame you. The stupid thing stopped again. Yeah, I don't have to go there. I'm just gonna turn her around. So we'll see the industrial park at another time. Appreciate her. Man, it is snowing like a mother. You people are gonna want to turn around and get a 180 car train there. I forgot it was train time. So what we'll do is we'll probably grab the, if it's not too cold tonight, I'm gonna grab the old fire pit, the solo stove out of the garage, have a little bit of a bonfire, maybe a drinky poo, and talk to you over on Big Jimmy U. Alright, gosh, I'm sorry about this one, guys. I didn't expect this to happen. I'll try and keep it a lot shorter from now on. Yeah, it's alright. A couple of vehicles are coming here. And in we go. To the big greenhouse. All right, everybody, thanks very much. Oh my gosh, it's got to be upwards of 20 minutes. That's ridiculous for a driving around video, but gosh, I sure appreciate you stopping in with me today. And I will do my best next time not to make this so ridiculously long. Have yourself a great night, and I'll see you over on the other channel if you want to stop in for a fire. Thank you.